Have you been wondering if your website needs a blog, but you're not sure if it's worth the time, the effort, or the cost? Hi, I'm Chantal Gertan. I'm a partner here at Ghost Bureau, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why your website needs a blog. Number 1, blogs are great for SEO. That's search engine optimization. When someone asks a question, they're looking for an answer. So if they ask a question and your website provides the answer, Google rewards your website by moving it up in the search rankings. And that's what you want, so that when people are looking for a product or a service that you provide, your website shows up in the search results. That's why, in addition to creating this video, I've also created a blog post that shows up on our website on this very topic. Number 2, blogs are a time-efficient way to answer frequently asked questions. You've probably been asked the same question over and over and over again by potential clients. That's a lot of time spent on calls and in meetings, if you ever get to that stage. Blogs are a great way to answer those questions in the best possible way. Most people do a lot of research before they ever contact a company, and part of that research is getting answers to their questions. So if you can provide those answers in a succinct blog post, you're going to be one step closer to someone picking up the phone and calling you. Number 3, blogs create trust. When you're looking to hire a company to provide a service or to purchase a product, you want to know more about that company or the brand. So do your potential clients. So when you share that information with them, they start to trust you. And that's important because people want to hire people that they trust. And a library of blog posts shows that you're invested in your company and that you've been active for a long time, which shows commitment and an ongoing presence in the industry. So what if you don't have the time or the interest in writing a blog post? That's what we do. Our team of trained journalists work with you to turn your ideas into compelling posts that sound like you wrote them yourself. Want to learn more? Email hello@ghostbureau.com to set up a complimentary consultation. I'm Chantal Gertan. I'm a partner here at Ghost Bureau, and I look forward to chatting with you about how we can help you build your library of blog posts today.